A new feature called FreeInit has been added to the AnimateDiff update for ComfyUI recently. Then what can it do? It enhances consistency in the video. On the left side, FreeInit is added, while on the right side, it is generated directly. You can see that from here on, it's already impossible. My video is 6 seconds long. As you can see, after adding FreeInit, there was indeed some improvement. But this conclusion isn't absolute. I've tested other models, like anime models, and they often lose some details easily. So this issue really depends on the specific situation. But if we look at the video on the left, within a very short time, like 2 seconds, the stability has improved. This might already meet some requirements without needing complex workflows. You just need to update the ComfyUI-AnimateDiff nodes, add these 2 new nodes, and connect them in sequence. For true animation diffusion, it's connected like this, and for older versions of animation diffusion nodes, it's connected like this. About these parameters for this FreeInit place, then the first item, this value is between 3 and 5. I chose 3 instead of 4, the middle value. In real models, maybe 4 is still somewhat aggressive. The second to fifth items are all set according to recommended values, so they usually don't need adjusting. Just tweak the first one. You can set it to 3, 4, or 5, try each, and see what works best. For different models, the conclusions will vary accordingly. Navigate to RunningHub, click AI or the link in the introduction, and you'll receive 1,000 RHB upon registration. Logging in daily will also give you an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.